Ready to cash in on your TikTok fame? Let's dive in. TikTok isn't just a platform for fun and entertainment, it's a goldmine of opportunities waiting to be tapped. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, there are multiple ways to turn your passion into profit. 1. Join the TikTok Creator Fund. This is one of the most straightforward ways to start earning money on TikTok. If you've got 10,000 followers, 100,000 views in the last 30 days and you're over 18, you qualify to apply. TikTok will pay you based on views, engagement, and audience region. The more engaging and popular your content, the more you can earn. It's a great way to get rewarded for your creativity and hard work. 1. Brand partnerships and sponsored content. This is where the big bucks can come in. Collaborate with brands that align with your niche. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers who can promote their products authentically. Keep your engagement high to attract them. The more engaged your audience, the more attractive you are to potential sponsors. 1. Sell your own products or services. If you have a product or service to offer, TikTok is a fantastic platform to showcase it. Market your merchandise, digital products, or services directly on TikTok. From handmade crafts to digital courses, the possibilities are endless. Don't forget to slap that online store link in your bio. Make it easy for your followers to find and purchase your products. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote products using affiliate links and earn commissions. This is a great way to earn passive income. Showcase these products in your videos and share the links in your bio. The more convincing and genuine your promotion, the higher the chances of earning commissions. 1. TikTok, live gifts and coins. This is an interactive way to earn money. Go live, engage with your audience, and earn virtual gifts that can be converted into cash. The more engaging your live sessions, the more gifts you can receive. Just remember, you need to be at least 18 and have over 1,000 followers to go live. This ensures that you have a substantial audience to interact with. 1. Drive traffic to other platforms. Use TikTok as a springboard to grow your audience on other monetized platforms. Use TikTok to grow your audience on other monetized platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or your blog. Cross-promote your content to maximize your reach and earnings. 1. Offer TikTok marketing services. If you have a knack for TikTok, why not help others grow their presence? Help businesses grow their TikTok presence by creating content, managing accounts, or running ads for them. This can be a lucrative service, especially for small businesses looking to expand their reach. 1. Teach or sell your expertise. Share your knowledge and skills with others. Create a course, ebook, or consulting service based on your expertise and promote it on TikTok. Quick tips for success. Create high-quality content. High-quality content is key to attracting and retaining followers. Post engaging, unique, and entertaining videos consistently. Consistency is crucial in building a loyal audience. Interact through comments, duets, and live streams. Building a community around your content can significantly boost your engagement. Use trending sounds, hashtags, and challenges. Staying updated on trends can help your content reach a wider audience. Authentic content builds trust and resonates with viewers. Be yourself and let your personality shine through your videos. Happy TikToking!